Thank you so much. Makofi tafadhali for the representatives of His Excellency James Orengo at number 14. His Excellency Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir from the county of Mombasa. Makofi tafadhali. Do we have friends who are going to be receiving this award? Or do we have a representative in the house, tafadhali, from the same county to represent Governor? Okay. Moving on at number 13, of course, yes, we do understand. So in absentia, we are going to be handling those. His Excellency Lati Lelate, Governor for Samburu County. Makofi tafadhali, coming in at number 13. Do we have a representative in the house to receive this award? We request that you make haste to the stage if so. And by a show of hands, by the way, we are looking around the room. All right, in absentia, we shall work on that. Thank you so much. We'll receive it for him. Her Excellency Cecile Mbarire, Governor for Embu County, is coming in at number 12. Do we have a representative from Embu here? Yes, here we go. Makofi tafadhali at the center of the stage so we can get a good picture on behalf of Her Excellency Cecile Mbarire, Embu County Governor. She comes in at number 12 at this year's awards, and at number 11, His Excellency Dado Gadai, Governor for Tana River County. Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa. Karibu sana. Congratulations yet again. Coming in at number 10 is His Excellency Amos Nyaribo. We're going all the way to Nyamira County for this one. At number 10, do we have a representative, tafadhali, from Nyamira County here to receive this award? Makofi tafadhali, ladies and gentlemen. Things are really picking up in the room tonight. There you go, there you go. Take your picture, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. His Excellency Amos Nyaribo. Smile on the cameras, tafadhali. It's going to be a good one. Okay, we're ready for the next one. Number 9, here we go. His Excellency Irungu Kangata, Governor for Murang'a County. Laban, so what are we saying, that half of this room is from Murang'a? All right, Murang'a County getting lots of support there. Makofi tafadhali. Asante, thank you for the energy and the support for Dr. Irungu. Indeed, he comes in at number 9 this year. Thank you so much. Our regards. His Excellency Kimani Wamatangi, Governor for the county of Kiambu, coming in at number 8. Watu wa Kiambu County mko wapi? If you belong to Kiambu County, make some noise. Woohoo! Do we have a representative, tafadhali? We are scanning the room. We're scanning the room. Do we have? Members of the press, we request that you give way, tafadhali, for people to make their way to the stage. We know you want to get those pictures, but tafadhali, let's mind the aisles so that people can make their way. Okay, let's move on to the next. At number 7, His Excellency Wavinya Ndeti, for the county of Machakos. Machakos, are you well represented tonight? Are you here? Anyone from Machakos County? Surely, even if you drive back and forth, you can make some noise for your county. Anyone here from Machakos? Let's see how well represented you are. Laban, we still have Muranga in the house.
Muranga well represented, I see you.
Okay, so in absentia, we shall be retaining Governor Ndeti's award. Okay, let's move on. His Excellency Jonathan B. Uasin Gishu County comes in at number 6. Thank you so much. We do have on stage. Thank you. Let's take a good one for the cameras. Asante Sana, please be at the center of the stage. Uasin Gishu County coming in at number 6 this year. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Collecting on behalf of the Governor, Silakoske. Thank you from the Governor's press call.
Asante. His Excellency Stephen Sang, Governor for Nandi County, coming up next. I understand this one is a tie. Equal votes coming in from the people of Kenya for both the previous county and the current county you see on stage. That's Nandi County. Interesting how votes go, isn't it? So the two counties tied in terms of performance, and so for that we say congratulations to His Excellency Stephen Sang, Governor of Nandi County. Makofi tafadhali for Nandi County, ladies and gentlemen. Number 6 is no small feat. And so is number 5, His Excellency Ibrahim Abdi Guyo, Governor for Isiolo County. Do we have any representation from Isiolo County? Anyone from the county office as well here? Friends of friends? All right, thank you. We shall handle that in absentia. Okay. Number 4. Are we ready for this one? Kisi, hello, how are we doing? His Excellency Simba Arati comes in at number 4. Makofi tafadhali for Kisi County. Let's congratulate, let's appreciate, and let's celebrate the rankings that we're seeing here tonight. It takes a lot. Do we have a representative here? All right, also in absentia, but thank you so much for that. We appreciate. All right, our guest speaker had mentioned the transformative action of the lady up next. And we are going to now recognize at number 3, the Governor for Kirinyaga County, Her Excellency Anne Waiguru. Makofi tafadhali for Kirinyaga. Aya, thank you so much. We do have a representative here. Ladies and gentlemen, we can do better. Bwana Ndegwa at the center of the stage so that you can get a good picture with the members of the press. Makofi tafadhali. And also tying in with Kirinyaga County happens to be Wajir County. His Excellency Ahmed Abdullahi. Congratulations on the award. Makofi tafadhali for Wajir County. They have not just one but 2 representatives coming up on stage. Amazing. Thank you so much. we're moving on. Thank you so much for that. At number 2, we'd like to recognize one fun, fearless female. We absolutely love Gladys Wanga. If you ask me, Homa Bay County absolutely deserves this position of number 2. We shall be handling the award for Homa Bay County. Thank you very much. Very quickly, at the top spot, I hope you're ready for this one. Kakamega County sits at the top. His Excellency Fernandez Baraza is scooping this one. Makofi Tafadali. We can do better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Please position yourselves at the center for that picture. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And also tying at the top spot, because we're not biased, we do have Narok County also at the top, right along Kakamega. And we'd like to congratulate His Excellency Patrick Ole Ntutu for the amazing work done. Congratulations to Narok County.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please give a round of applause. That marks the end of the awards for governors. Thank you so much. Ably done by Benson. Appreciate it. Thank you for giving out the awards as well, and Sheikh Hold. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving on to the senators. We have 7 awardees tonight. At 7th place, ladies and gentlemen, to give out these awards, allow me to call Mumbura Karan.